you're matching my car. Not really.
See that? That's a throwback to my old.
Hello. Hi.
We could film it later and ask him.
Don't ask.
No.
Please,
We're gonna do the intro.
why are you saying it to me? I'm being honest. I'm being
Are you
honest.
filming?
Are we filming?
Yes. Hi guys. No.
Can I buy some?
Go buy some. Hurry up.
Yes.
Oh, buying cookies. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag? No. I don't feel like a plastic bag. I feel like a paper bag. A Trader Joe's bag. They're not plastic. That's why I said I feel like a paper bag.
Supporting the community, some Thin Mints.
And the environment.
That's not true. So today we're going to be going to a bunch of like fast food restaurants and getting chicken nuggets and French fries, and we're going to be trying to blindly guess which one is from which place. Does that make sense? So yeah, 3 of us are going to be doing chicken nuggets. It's going to be us three. Us three are chicken nugget people. They're French fry people. All right, we're going to go right now and get the stuff. We have a lot of places to go to.
Alright, can I get a 20 count nugget, a medium and large fry, and a quarter pounder burger, please? And that'll be all. Have a nice night. Thank you, you too.
We are now heading to Dairy Queen and we got our food.
Yes!
Dairy Queen.
Yes.
We got to video, but we ordered a Dairy Queen. And now we're waiting in the line.
It's fun out here in the waiting line.
We got the goods.
So what are we doing?
We are going to be eating soon. Okay, we're going through. Is this all? Okay, everybody, Ellie, tell everyone where we went.
McDonald's, Dairy Queen, Burger King, Whataburger, Chick-fil-A, Sonic,
Chicken. Stop eating stuff, Cole.
Bread.
Guys,
Do we even know
no,
what
but
it's
listen.
they don't actually like it, they just...
Analyze it. Bread.
Can I just Okay, whoever gets the most right gets to cut off Cole's luscious mullet.
Wait, seriously?
Yeah.
Wait, you're kidding.
No, not today.
I gotta prepare my soul for that. That's a
later,
big step.
Is there
later
anything else
video.
in here?
It's like, is there
Stop eating. Are those French fries? You can't eat the French fries. You're the French fry person.
No, she already has
I know, like that's cheating.
Oh, yeah.
Everybody, no, stop touching everything.
What's the plan for all this food?
We're gonna eat it. Bro, I'm gonna get a POV. You're the French fries.
Oh, Paul, why are you?
I'm gonna get to feed them. Bring me fries.
Emma, no, you're gonna be blindfolded.
No, I'm feeding them.
No, Emma.
You're doing it.
Is that one?
But I made
You're
plans
gonna feed
2
them
days
after.
ago
Well, I'm
on a FaceTime that you wouldn't join.
What FaceTime?
I don't remember.
I know exactly. That's it.
How about Gabby cheating?
When did I hang up on her?
Cut G.
Okay, guys, we're doing French fries first.
Don't get violent.
Whoa, please.
Okay, I'm ready.
Alright, feed me. Somebody
This
feed me.
is the
Wait,
first.
can y'all how well do y'all think they're gonna do? You have to
Stop
feed it to us so we don't touch them.
Shut up.
French fries. That's nasty.
Let's see
Table?
how many do you want to
I want someone to feed me.
I get to eat it?
Do I get to eat
Do I get to eat it?
Eat that, yes.
Why?
You guys are taking so long to just.
I don't know what to do. I'm hungry.
Do I have to guess what this is? Dairy Queen.
Dairy Queen. I already had Dairy Queen in my head.
This next one.
Don't touch me.
Eek.
Okay, wait.
Let me feel this. Get away! This is kind of nasty. This is definitely Whataburger.
It's Whataburger.
Honestly, their pies don't have any salt.
Yeah,
I was like,
wait.
if they do have salt, they're over
Wait,
salted.
wait. No, they usually have enough salt.
No.
This could be McDonald's.
This could be Sonic.
We know, but
These are very fun. These are
One.
right.
2, 3. Say it at the same time.
Whataburger.
Sonic.
Whataburger.
No. I already did
No,
Sonic. It's
no.
not Whataburger. Just kidding.
It's Whataburger.
It's Sonic.
It's
No, it is not Whataburger. It is not Whataburger. It is Sonic. It is Sonic.
Okay. Okay. These are the next ones.
No.
Okay.
I gotta clear my mouth with the taste.
Wait a second.
Wait, these taste like Sonic ones.
Right.
Do you
What
taste
about
that?
Dairy Queen though?
Dairy Queens are
Dairy
thinner.
Queens are fatter.
Yeah. This has to be Sonic. This is
Honestly.
Sonic.
Oh, wait.
What's the purpose? Wait, can I choose my answer? Sonic.
That's in your freaking nose. Get it out of your nose.
Ew, is it his nose?
Ew, you just ate it.
No.
What is your guesses, people?
Sonic. This is Sonic.
Okay, this is Sonic.
This is Sonic.
Next one.
No.
Waffle fries.
Okay.
Chick-fil-A.
Honestly, they need a little more salt.
Why do these taste weird?
Because you're cold and
They're like,
I've had cold.
Sorry.
Wow.
Oh, yeah, I do kind of taste weird.
I usually like them, but they're like cold, they're not salty.
Really?
No, you just gave it away.
That's my neck.
Do I
Where
have
the
to
Burger
guess?
King
No, do I have
ones?
to guess?
I want to eat the Burger King tater tots. Where are they?
Chick-fil-A. No.
Chicken nuggy. Contestants.
How am I looking?
You're looking pretty cute. Good job,
Guys, this
Jenna.
smells like chicken noodle soup plans.
No.
We're not gonna. It tastes really bad. I know.
Official guess in 3, 2, 1. Official guess.
Sonic. Gabriel.
Let me taste it again.
No.
No. Spicy.
Eat this one. That's McDonald's. I'm not done with this chicken nugget.
Good grief.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
McDonald's. No swag.
Oh, can someone say yum?
Yum.
Guys, comment down below if we're doing good.
What do y'all think? Gabriel, how are you feeling? What are you thinking about the chicken nugget? Is it scrumptious, delumptious? What do you think? What are you thinking, Ellie? What are you feeling?
Burger King. Burger King.
Gabby.
Where should we do it?
Ew, I hate it. I hate it.
What are y'all doing?
So dry. It's like powder.
We got a casserole right now with some marshmallows on top. Whoa! Why are you filming with the phone?
Why are you making me TikTok?
What's your final answer?
Dairy King.
Dairy Queen.
What are you drinking, Abby?
My fellow.
Gabby, what was your final answer?
Dairy Queen.
Gabriel, getting it first?
Sweat.
Looking strong. Ellie's last. She doesn't know.
Chicken nugget.
Ooh, she knows it's a chicken nugget.
We're doing good.
Gabriel looks confident, steady. I like what I'm seeing.
Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, what they said.
Gabby, did you take yours off?
Liar, you have it off.
No, you don't. I just touched your eyes. What does it touch it? It's on.
It's still on.
It's on.
3, 2, 1, take your mask off.
Oh my gosh.
Now you took it off. Hi guys. Oh,
This is action shot.
Gabriel,
This is action shot right here.
you got a newly fresh haircut? No, haircut.
haircut.
Slap his head.
I love my friends. They're so funny. Look at their comedy right here. It's so funny. Are you laughing? They're supposed to be funny.
Fabulous.
Okay guys, so it was a tie between Emma, Paul, and Gabe. This is how you know it's not a good chicken nugget. That's how you know it's not a good chicken nugget.
And there's like
Look at that.
Close up of all the chicken nuggets.
I didn't get it.
Okay, we're filming.
No, it's in the head.
Hey, I'm really happy.
hold on, we'll do this.
No.
Okay, hi. Is this the outro?
2 more minutes.
Okay.
Okay, hi.
Hey,
What am I supposed to be doing?
Hey, y'all.
Hi. Welcome to the outro.
Welcome to the
Welcome to the
Okay, you guys can have blueberries now.
Where's the
Yes.
Okay, now thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Everyone clap for Ellie.
Stop! Stop!
Don't mind them.
Stop it!
Don't mind.
I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe and so we can become famous.
I think this could be good.
Chaos.